Understanding the phrases, say sorry. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase in the English language, say sorry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use this phrase. Let's get started. Say sorry is made up of two words. Say, a verb which means to speak or express something in words. Sorry, an adjective that expresses apology, remorse, or regret. When combined, the phrase is often used to instruct someone to apologize, or it may describe the act of apologizing. For example, if a child takes another child's toy, a parent might instruct, "You need to say sorry to your friend. I bumped into him and immediately said sorry." While say sorry seems simple, context is crucial. Here are some examples to illustrate its different usages. 1. Instructing apologies. 2. You hurt her feelings. Say sorry. 3. If you make a mistake, you should say sorry. 4. Describing apologies. 5. I said sorry after stepping on his foot. 6. She says sorry whenever she's late. 7. In questions. 8. Did you say sorry for breaking the vase? 9. Why didn't you say sorry? In many cultures, saying sorry is an essential aspect of social interaction. It's more than just the words. It's about acknowledging a mistake, showing respect, and expressing a desire to mend a relationship. Remember, while say sorry is a direct instruction or description, the act of apologizing often carries deep cultural and emotional significance. Thanks for joining us today in understanding the phrase, say sorry. We hope this video has clarified when and how to use this important phrase. Always remember, saying sorry is not just about uttering the words, but also about acknowledging and amending mistakes. Stay tuned for more English language insights, and happy learning!